Hello friends, welcome to Nur Academy. I hope that you are healthy and well. I am at your service. So in this lecture we are going to talk about the Python. What is Python and how we use the Python and which IDE we use it. So we are going to firstly we want to make a motivation wallpapers on the screen because motivation is very important for us, because since there are very a lot of people that are a lot of negative ideas providing for us, so motivation wallpaper is very important for us. So if you are going to Google and download a lot of motivation wallpapers and set us on the screen, so the pictures motivate you for the learning a lot of best things. Not so if we see in the Google, I'm going to find a lot of best wallpapers for motivations and motivate. So we are going to search motivation wallpapers. So we are seeing the big dream big and a lot of other wallpapers, and we should download it and set us on the screen. So we are going to our lecture and seeing a lot of things. So we have a Python overview. For example, we start the Python, we are going to solve the Python debugging, and also we are making games, printing, how to comment to variable, what is the variable, and how we make a variable function, a lot of other things. So in Python overview we have a lot of I am teaching a lot of basic and advanced concepts of Python programming, and you should maintain your balance and making a lot of big projects in Python. Python is very easy because you don't need to prior knowledge. You should understand what is computer and also about the installing the softwares, and also Python is human readable, and also the Python language is very easy because we are reading like a English book, and this is very easy to understand by everyone. So we are going to Python requirements, which one of people that are have requirements to learn the Python language. First of all, the computer literacy is very important. The man or he or she should understand the computer literacy, and also a little bit knowledge about the English, and also knowledge of installing software, how to install a software, how to work in software, and also need a compiler that compile our code easily and perfectly. So what is Python? Python is a programming language, one of the most popular programming language. Python was created by the Govind Van Rossum and firstly implemented in 1989. Python is used for a lot of different things. For example, we have a web development projects, we use the Python, and also machine learning, data science, scripting, and many more. And how to install the Python IDE? Firstly, we should install the Python. If we look at the link, and we are going to copy the link and we are pasting it in and enter. After that we have looking to Python and install the Python, not the IDE. When we install the Python, then you see, and there is the latest version of Python 3.11.2. so we have a lot of different versions, and Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS and others. So after we install the Python, so we go to install the Pycharm. Pycharm is one of the most IDE for the Python users. So we are going to download the Pycharm, and we have two types of Pycharm. That one is professional, and also the another one is also simple. So we download the community and download it, because this is the we should purchase the professional. This is used for the web Python development, HTML, JavaScript and also SQL, and the community is pure Python development. We should click on the download and download it. After download, the download is automatically started. You see, automatically started because I downloaded firstly, so I don't waste my time. So we are going to install it, and secondly we install the Pycharm. The latest version of the Python is 3.10.8 in 2022, and you try to yourself without any restriction. Thank you very much, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.